Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
पंचायत वेंचणूक खात्याचो संचालक थारायता. ह्या नादी सांकवाळ पंचायत कोर्टाच्या स्क्रुटिनी खाला आयल्या. असले प्रकार परते घडचे न्ही खातीर आमी कसलोच निर्णय घाई गडबडीन घेना अशें पंचायत मंत्री म्हणटा. कांय म्हयने आदींच सरपंच आनी उपसरपंचाचेर अविश्वास थारा घातिल्लो. सध्या पंचायतीचो कारभार प्रशासक पळयता. कांय दिसा आदीं हे विशीं पंचायत मंडळ संचालकाक मेळिल्लें.
बाबा आमची सांकवाळ पंचायत पॅरलायज जाल्ली आसा. लोक आमच्या नांवान बोवाळ मारता आनी बेगिनाचे बेगीन इलेक्शन डेट काड. सो डायरेक्टर प्रत्यक्ष कांय उलयना की केन्ना काडटलो कितें काडटलो तें कांय सांगना. सो आमी इतलें सांगलां की आमी सरकारा बरोबरच आसा. ताका प्रत्यक्ष तो आन्सर आमकां कांय दिना. तो जे भशेन वागता ताका अशें दिसता तुमी ताकाच विचारल्यार बरें. प्रेशर आसा सो दिसता कित्याक नाल्यार इतलें दीस ताका लागपा न्हू. हें बेगीन इलेक्शन काडपा जाय आशिल्लें तेणें.
पूण डायरेक्टर आन्सरूच दिना तुमकां.
कांयच आन्सर दिना.
Director fixed the date under the Panchayati Raj Act and पळय डायरेक्टर ऑलरेडी स्पष्ट जवाब दिला. There are 60 days to decide and meanwhile in this intervening period he has said even deemed cases where दिवपा जाय आसले license दिवना. So they have come to know so many things. So they said we need some time, we'll settle that and then we'll fix a date. Yeah, coming Monday, but he told me it will need time. You will be surprised how many things were kept pending. I don't know the numbers, 3 big sets and which have already been given permission, तांकां license दिना. अशें सुद्दां जाल्लें आसा. कोणें डॉक्युमेंट दिल्ले फूल पळोवपाक गेल्या मिटिंगे पास केल्या दिना. डीम्ड प्रोविजन आसतना सांगप कितें डॉक्युमेंट ना म्हणून मागीर डॉक्युमेंट काडला. सो अशें खूब आसा. So let the director report to me exactly what is the problem. We have no intention of delaying. I want it done as soon as possible. Don't forget that previously also Sankwal Panchayat has come under scrutiny of the court. If anything goes wrong, he will be held responsible more than anybody else. So he is being a little extra cautious. And should the government not support him if he is following the Panchayati Raj Act? If he is following the law, I should fully back him. No, in fact, I have asked somebody to remove the records as to how many RTI applications have been filed. The number of RTI applications that have been filed will be the sum total of all other panchayats people asking for this information under RTI.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.